Peace. I have my creation behind on me. I call that yoga meditation, destroying evil. So before I proceed, the light of Christ be with you. Bless you. May the crystal light in my hands in the light of Christ be with you in healing. The hands of creation, the hands of God, in the hands of Christ. In every creative, in every creation, it will destroy the evil of this earth. In the beautiful mind, connect into the heart and the crystalline, and all these dots in all left and right are the children who will become the crystal. They become the light in our line to take care of their mind, heart, and soul. So if you see, I will start for problem solving. We all have a knowledge of God that within us. Sometimes that no one can answer our question that we're seeking for. We're looking some questions sometimes is we have problem that, okay, where I'm going, do I go for the lawyer to ask question? I need to go for, but sometimes, as my experiences, I pay too much money. But we don't realize it that the knowledge of God is within us. Call your guide, angels, ascended master, or the realms. They can assist you right away. And sometimes the answer is just only in our intuition that we're seeking from outside of us. We're seeking for the people who graduated from school, but we doesn't know that the true knowledge of God is already within us. That it's within, that we know the answer before we go into them. We need to be have very, very calm in struggle of every situation, in every task of life. We need to be very, very calm down, relax, drink water, and just a minute, I will be calm and listen music, or I don't need to be worried with that. Call your angel. It's my own experience. I have a critical problem solving. I pay too much from, I'm not happy for their service, and they say to me, why? You want to get a new lawyer? Why? You will pay again? So it's threat for us that in every degree that they have, they're a cost of a lot of money. So how about people that they want to change of this planet for their generation, that this is not all, as we scam each other, as we compete to each other, as we race to each other, as this earth we're worried of too much material world, materialism. And some, like, is not here in Canada, in some other country in the Asia, they spend a lot of money for the hospital. So in daily life, we need to taking care of ourselves, to be calm, to be peace, and to be centered into our heart. So the yoga it's help us. First, I got that critical problem that I solved, how to do it. So I was worried few, and then I relaxed for a time, and then I try to calm again. And what is the knowledge in my intuition, it was right, I figure out. So sometimes listen to yourself, listen to your intuition, listen to your body, because the best answer is within. I did experience one in some other country. I feel that I have urinary tract infection, and I feel that it's burning sensation, because the doctor always required me to drink a lot of water, 2 or 3 gallons of water, because my body is very different than other people, is working faster than others. So it was the same, the same in the normal body of the human. So my body is working more faster. So sometimes I need to more relax. My body can feel the energy of other, can feel the stress of other, can feel my environment. So I sometimes I need to be take time alone and very, very quiet. Even if I go to the nature, I don't want to take picture and teach, because for me, going to the nature is that my treat for myself. That's love for myself, that I can give it to myself. I need to be, yes, I'm here, but rather to be relax all my mind, and this is not my time. So I wait at home to teach. and my creation to know what is meaning behind of that. So once I said to my friend, oh, I need to go to the doctor. I can't go out. I think I have my urinary tract infection. My friend laughed at me, said, wow, why you doctorize yourself? You're better than a doctor? But I felt quite upset when the young age. I think I was in 20s at the time. And I said, this is my body. I know how I feel my body. I know the symptoms. Why she laughed at me? Wow, you know better than a doctor. Why you doctorize your body? But at the end, what I said to her is right when I go to the doctor. So always believe yourself. Don't let yourself distract. Believe your own knowledge. Believe that God is within. Believe that your angel can answer your question, or the highest dimension of the realms of celestial being, or God realms, or any God that we call, that can give us the answer in our intuition. And the best medicine is to be calm, centered, drink water, healthy food and vegetables, meditation, calm your mind, exercise, walking, go to the nature, and connect in every breath of the spirit, in every spirit that created into this earth. A beautiful spirit like air, sun, water, trees, animals, in all the spirit, in all living things in this planet. Because sometimes when we go to the friend, there's a competition. There was like, they distract you with your own knowledge. They said, oh, you're better than a lawyer. Do you have a lawyer degree? Oh, you're better than a doctor. But the truth, we can be a doctor. We can be a lawyer without degree. But it's take a one click of the magic. It's been from the purity of the heart. If you want to be a miraculous doctor, you can do that. But it's take one magic with it. What is that magic? Is the purity of the heart in the real compassion we can give to each other. Magic, okay, we'll say Cinderella, the mother gave her a magic. It was, the magic is work for ordinary people, not in the highest society. So if you see ordinary people, they're not ordinary because they are magical. Not all of them, but it's just an example of myself. So believe yourself, believe your own magic. As God loved those who live simple in ordinary life, but they are all magical. I believe that my children in generation are magical. So because I create a lot of magic, I create a lot of miracle as here. And if you surround yourself, they take you to the wrong direction, that they said, oh, that's not right. But you need to know that what they teach to you, it's that their perception, that their self, and that their knowledge. If you listen to them, you embody their own knowledge, you embody their own experiences, that their own experiences wasn't you. So magic is taken by the purity of the soul in the heart. It's aligned between the mind and the soul in the compassion. That say, no matter how hard the situation is, no matter how ugly with it, the magic it's work by the purity of the soul. It's take a beautiful soul, a beautiful heart to make that one click of the magic. It wasn't impossible. For there was time of, say, pandemic time, I did it. I work with one of light beings say to me, you are capable enough. You need to know yourself that you can make it. Work with me. So I work with him. So every time he speak in YouTube and express it, I pray with it. I pray rosary. I sat on my bed. I did it alone, but no one knows it. So he said to me, you don't know how powerful you are. So I try myself. And that's once, that person once I dreamed that Christ hold my hands and he has dark skin, was save me, and hold my hands. Hold my hands, it was in the church, and bring me into the door of the church. That was 11:11. This was my awakening. So know who you are. And listen to your own knowledge and intuition. Mostly I advise to the student that you go to school, play yoga. After school, you feel stressed and tired, go to the nature, go for a walk, drink more water, meditate. Cacao is good too, to have more energy for studying. Mostly when you want to read your lesson at school, Kakao is very good because we grew up that most of the students they use that one for boosting their mind. So is the knowledge that God with you, listen with that. And do not let someone confuse you and do not listen to another person. As my past relationship, we always fighting because listen to me, listen. Okay, I heal your back with my magic. I bring you to the right direction. Everything I make it for you from my prayer and my beautiful heart. Why you should listen? You are the one need to listen to me because if I listen to you, you bring me to the wrong direction. So I move on. I need to go on my life. I don't lie. I don't lie. So it teach me to lie and say that's what this is. So thank you very much. This is my soul. I don't sell my soul. I start new life again. I start new beginning again. I won't lie. If you teach me to lie, you teach me to believe me. This is the right things to do. No thanks. This is my soul. I won't sell myself for love. So I stand up my own. So if you notice behind of me, on top is you can see the crystalline mind connect with a higher dimension. Okay, you can call who's God you calling it because in my art in creation they'll manifest themselves. Okay, once I have painting, I said to the God of Father in Osiris. Osiris, God of Father, I don't know how to draw and I don't know how you look like. If I create this art, manifest yourself. When I compass it, come out your face. So God of Father in Osiris is set beside together and the image they are is come out. So in every of my creation, I don't plan to paint them. They just come out themselves as the manifestation of my work to align with me. So most of my art is come out itself. I just play compass. I don't plan with that. So sometimes I ask to the creation what I need to paint, be with me, in align with me. Some of them I already write the name. Then in the next morning I will say, add me more and give me more. Be aligned with me. Or even thoughts or Horus, the son of the Isis. I love you, Horus. You're my son. So, the higher intuition we need to have a clarity of our mind. Do not listen to the noise of your surroundings. Mostly when the kids sometimes, we destroy the mind of the children by budol budol gang. I heard someone say to my nephew, budol budol. Wasn't nice. Wasn't nice to call my nephew budol budol. They're not the budol budol gang. So I pray that I protect my nephew from the words of another, from the harm of another words. So I always shine my light to them to protect them. That I work hard to the light of my generation, to the light of my family. And I watch them. And I always send them a light to protect them. And all my hard work is for them to give this knowledge to my generation, not only for all the children. If you notice this is all the children. It's come out themselves. You cannot notice it, but if you take closer, it's the face of the children that I create the golden path in the generation that they will follow, taking care of themselves, taking care of their mind, in their center of their heart. And this is the sacral chakras that light up into the sun in the past, present, into the future. So, from the past, our ancestor, we didn't finish what they start. So, it's for us to start again, to have another, this new earth, to create a beautiful, to destroy the evil in this earth, to destroy the system that it wasn't work. I know that all. I feel it all. Not only my body, but I see the system. I see how fake the world it is. It wasn't easy for someone to awake enough, to aware enough, to have a crystalline clarity of mind, eye, heart, and body to feel that all. The world is so fake. We all worried of popularity, money, followers. But we've forgotten that we're here for these children. We take a lot. I see, okay, I created this one. So if you notice, there was a green. The green is breath into the nature and bring healing into our body. You notice I wear green. So breath into the nature, healing in our body, clarity of the mind, and take care of our heart in our body. And wear our crown to connect into the higher dimension. And this is the yoga. I align to the union of the soul. I move yoga that wasn't easy. It's upside down, my body. But we make it together as align as one. So we create yoga as an align in the light is in the middle with it. I feel that after 3 days, he moved to me through connection of energy through the body. I follow it. I don't play that yoga before, but I surprise I make it even in the hardest. He teach me to do it, flip upside down my body. I did it. But after that one, this is the lower spine. Is I feel that lower spine and the lower hips of mine, it's a moment in healing. After 3 days, I feel that I cannot carry heavy stuff because I can feel there was something with that. But it's very, very good healing. All over my body, I feel renewed again. In a new beginning. I feel that all stuck energies in the blockades or anything that I feel from the surrounding, I feel in this earth, I feel from everywhere that I feel it's connected in every breath that our body, in a mind that from another. So this world, we know this world is all about worrying money, corporation, how we pay bills, how to be very social, how to be look very elegant in the eyes of the same human that we forgot that we are God to be here. We forgotten that our gift live in simplicity, that the gift is within, the miracle is within. But it wasn't that just like that. But if you have it, a beautiful soul in heart, it's take it. But if you don't work yourself, you live ordinary. You live in your own opinion as an ordinary life. You don't see how the world work it. So sometimes I know it wasn't easy to understand me, what I see in the world. But even in the Garden of Adam and Eve, I've been there. The Garden of Adam and Eve that they think that the snake tempted them, but the truth, woman, I can see them. Okay, sometimes we say, playing yoga, selling juices, make a vegan, but the truth, we are naked. Showing our body how beautiful it is, to impress the world, to make that business work, wearing two-piece, showing everything that how beautiful our body eating vegan, how sexy we are, this is what I eating, but the point target with it is the body and the beauty of the woman, of the human body. So, there's a lot of big fish. If you're beautiful, use that beauty. I'm awake enough to know the world, what's going on. If you're beautiful, then waste your beauty. Find a big fish. Sorry to say that, but that's how awake I am in this world. Sometimes we're not happy what we see in our body. We go to, surgery to make more confident with it. But if you know your power, you know your gift, you know your magic, there's a lot of solution with that. So natural beauty is more natural than, because the more we go for that, the more we decide more to scam people. The more we want expensive, the more we want to buy from another, and we want more to take from another. Oh, come on, world. That's the evil in this planet, that we worried about monies and everything, that we play the game of the creation of the mother. So, if you notice it, I find a solution. I don't go to no one. I think I said, I will get another lawyer to find a solution with it. But what is in my intuition, it was that, the knowledge, you know the answer. So go and find step and move it again. But I see their system. Next time, I will share the system. I witness it again. I need to bow with it. If you are not bowed with it, as the authority, you cannot make it. Listen, but you cannot express yourself that who you are, because they are there sitting in authority. You need to listen. But they need to know that we all equal in the knowledge. They came from school, but you carry the knowledge of God that here it was in the intuition that we have. So if you realize it, be centered, be calm. Because I have a lots of tests that's between two. It tested of me. Sometimes I break out, I jump, I shout. The manipulation is real. It's tested to me. So there was something on the mind. I heard for someone, something speaking in my mind in his feel his present, his fresh sitting thinking. But it was in the mind. The manipulation of the mind is real. They can take you, even maybe you can say there was something in the teenager that sometimes we can notice it wasn't right, but they are in the manipulation of the mind. Knows they have playing some manipulation of the thoughts, so beware of it. Always listen to good things. Always pray, rosary, to overcome all that struggle. So this is all that, this behind of this is the book of yoga, that creating between two to align with that. So I feel the very healing. I create magic. I can heal the lower back pain. I can heal that through the light in my hands, through the beauty once I created from my heart and I put it in the back. So it's work from the light of my heart. It's putting into the back to heal that. It was work, but this is for everyday maintenance in our body. Instead, we go for the maintenance of medicine. We go maintenance walking, breathing, water, yoga, go to the fresh air, connect in all beautiful living things of this beautiful spirit in the creation of this planet. If we know our planet, if we care for our generation, if you care the children, we want to change this world. We want to change this world that we'll be happy with the family we have. Live simplicity and be good example to our children, to our generation. So if you see the light here, this is the light of Christ that I have. So in everything I do, it's connected into the hands. I asked to Jesus, I will heal my family. The first person I healed, it was an experiment. I said to Jesus, I am with you. I promise to walk with you, to light up the path. I carry the cross with you. No one knows that you look like me while smiling, look like an easy life, but you don't know how much I overcome everything. I grew up in the struggle of life, but sometimes you see me, sometimes I'm okay, sometimes it's not, sometimes I look okay, sometimes I look messy, but no one realizes it. No one see that to me because I don't cry in front of no one. So if you see the light, I said to Christ, if you give it to me, the healing as you have, I respect that healing. I will heal those who need the healing. And it was happened the first experiment in the lower back pain. And not only that, I create a lots of miracle. Even in my childhood, I'm aware of my ability. I'm aware of myself. But you need to be aware of your children too. But nobody told me in nurture. I have teach of my father that the mother in the Holy Spirit, and my mother always said to me to pray. But as I grow up, I live in my family. In childhood, I need to be, stand up myself and be independent of my own. So this is a sacral chakras. It was a gift. And the light of the hands of magical creation of God, of Jesus Christ. And all of these are the children followed. And in this golden new earth, that a lots of them, I wish them to be taking care of themselves in their well-being and aligned to the beautiful creation of the earth. If you see above, there was a brain. So that's our thoughts that connect into within, the gift within. The gift of within, the gift is within. You cannot find outside because the outside world, everyone can learn. If you go to school, okay, in the one class, from 1 to 30, they're the same exam, but you need to learn how to memorize the exam. From 1 to 30, they learn, okay, everyone make it, some is not, but the same lesson they learn. But in our life, we have different lesson to overcome. We have different tests to overcome. So in every lesson that we have, in every things that we overcome, it wasn't only give it to us the higher intuition, the higher knowledge, the physical ability, or advancing of the eye, but the body can feel. The more the gift is rise, the more it get into the higher awakening. From the lower into the higher, it's like a stair that keep moving into the magical that we are. So that's all the yoga warriors I create, destroying evil. Because if we know how to protect ourselves, we know our knowledge, we know the gift is within, we can destroy the evil. We don't follow the system that we realize the system was broken and it wasn't everything about money. We can start and create into this magical world to be a beautiful. I am here as a mother. I am here as my name. I am here as living simple life that they think I'm ordinary, but in the time of need, you know your power, you know your capacity, that there is nothing impossible, that you can make it. As a yoga meditation, we need always have a clarity of mind, creation, and everything I learn. So I keep working myself. Not mean I am perfect. You don't know. Sometimes I need to learn how to control myself for the test that is have. And need to focus on my own, not from the outer world. I see how the world is working. Not everyone is real. Not everything say, as before as said, Christ said, there's a lot to come that claim my name, but only few is real. So not all the gifted, they say they are gifted, because some of us, they cost money for that. So I say the truth. We did it for a lot. They say, oh, I have fertility, or I have like that. But it's take, as Jesus said before, I have a second coming. I will come back again. Not all claim my name. There's slots come to claim my name, but know how to identify who is real. Nothing wrong to teach, but the intention of the mind, heart, and soul, it's more important to create the miracles. Everyone can teach, everyone can do that, but the miracle in the magic, it was only few can get it. Just one click with that. Like a Cinderella's mother, how she have a magic, how she give it to Cinderella, because she have a magic as the wishes for her daughter. Know that Cinderella is ordinary, so this is the life we're living it. And claim your own power. Know who you are. Know your power. And if we see with that, go to the nature, connect in all living things in this planet, all living things, a spirit of all living things in every corner of the earth. I love being sometimes alone, working my own creation, more manifest good. And all my work, I share it for all of you. And more and more and more, but I stay present. I wish more. Thank you for Jesus Christ. Forgive me the light of my hands, the beautiful as I am. And my mission wasn't only for the children, but the old people. I love them so much too as love my parents. And all my works, it's for my family too. That the first I love not only give me abundance and prosperity in my life, but all my children, for my generation that I know, they will know how valuable they are, how magical they are. And I am their mother, as I know sometime to step and to be the mother for them, that I know give them a lots of love and understanding for who and where they are at the present, because I experienced that in my childhood. So I know I play between two, good and bad, when I was a child, but I'm aware in my young age what I'm doing. I'm aware like a 60 years old. My father say I talk like a 60 years old. I know what I'm doing. Sometimes it wasn't right. But if I can make excuses for my father, I did it because I'm too smart to know that even I 7, 8 years old, I know what I'm doing. Like an adult 60 years old. I know how to answer it back. I know how to. So, know how the children know how they're gifted they are and they are valuable they are. And we need to nurture them to know what the gift of this new age in the creation of God, if we are aware with that. And I wish everyone to these all the children that it's manifest themselves to your children to know their gift, nurture them, and teach them to have knowledge of God. Knowledge is within. We cannot find outside from other people, or even we need to believe ourselves, because if we believe another that their perception, that their knowledge, so focus with yourself, focus with your own, to know more about yourself. Because if you listen to someone that their own perception, that their own knowledge, that their own dimension, in that what they reach on that present moment, that they will say to you, this is the right one and this is the right one, if there is the right one. But you know someone, what you know is higher than finish the degree, but because you have the knowledge of God within your soul, in within our mind, heart, and soul, we're capable enough to create the magic and miracle. May the light of Christ be with you and bless you all. Peace.